In the silent reaches of the outer solar system, far beyond the warmth of the sun, a distant world reveals itself in a fleeting moment of twilight. Just minutes after its closest encounter, a lone spacecraft turns back and looks homeward, catching Pluto in a rare and delicate glow. The sun, now a distant star, casts a soft, slanting light across a frozen landscape, one shaped by forces both ancient and still unfolding. Here, vast plains of nitrogen ice stretch toward the horizon. This is Sputnik Planum, a smooth glacial expanse that whispers of slow, restless motion beneath its surface. To the west, mountains rise abruptly, jagged, towering formations of water ice, as hard as rock in this extreme cold. These peaks, reaching several kilometers high, stand like sentinels against the dim sky. To the east, the terrain fractures and flows, marked by what appear to be glaciers, evidence that even here, in this distant cold, Pluto is not a dormant world. And above it all, a fragile atmosphere glows. Layer upon layer of blue haze drift high into space, illuminated by the distant sun, revealing a complexity no one expected. In this brief glance backward, Pluto is no longer a point of light, but a world of striking beauty and quiet, enduring mystery.